afternoon everyone. My name is Bhavika Jain. I am a student of Lovely Public Senior Secondary School. I study in class 6C. Today I am going to tell you that how to make a piggy bank. The things we require are an empty bottle, a paintbrush, a sheet, a scissor, a black sketch pen, a favicol and the paints of your choice. To make the piggy bank, first you need to cover the bottle like this. Then you have to make a hole to keep the money like this with the help of a knife. But don't try it lonely. Take the help of your parents. Then it's time to make its ears. You have to make the ears with the help of a sheet like this. Then you have to make its eyes and nose. If you have googly eyes, you can paste them also. So here we have the eyes. Here we have to make eyes with the paint like this, and then you have to make the nose also. If you have paint, you can do with that also, and with a sketch pen also. Now if you want to make your piggy bank some colorful and designable, so you can make the designs with the help of sketch pen or paints. Thank you.